Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Whirlpool washer that is making a buzzing noise. I'll specifically be going over how to fix it. Okay, so there are 5 things that I'm going to talk to you about if your Whirlpool washer is making a buzzing noise, and these will be ways to fix that buzzing noise, hopefully. Now, these are easy solutions and they'll help you sort of diagnose it further. We're not going to be taking anything apart. These are just quick and simple solutions. Hopefully they work for you. If these don't work, you're going to have to go to the next level, which is like calling a technician or really going deep into the diagnosis. But for these are just quick fixes and hopefully they work. So let's get into this. Number one is that it might be normal. A small buzzing noise simply might be normal. So you might think there's a problem, okay? And this happens often where we think that there's a problem, but in reality, there's not a problem at all. Washers, Whirlpool washers, but washers in general make a buzzing or humming sound, especially when certain things are running. So when they're spinning, you have to understand there's a motor being run. So, a small buzzing noise is normal, and especially when they're draining, you have a drain pump that's running. So that's, going to make an even louder buzzing noise. So if it's happening during those times and it's not super loud, it might be normal. So just think back, maybe did it always make this noise and maybe I just never noticed it before? It might be normal. So just consider how loud it is and when it's happening, and that will allow you to sort of know whether or not it is normal or not, okay? It'll get you one step closer towards knowing if it's normal or not, okay? Moving on to number two. Number 2, unplug it and plug it back in. Very simple solution. Just like if your computer's not working properly, or your phone's not working properly, or any technological device is not working properly, just turn it off and turn it back on again. In this case, you want to unplug the Whirlpool washer, leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. What that's going to do is that's going to give it a little bit of a reset, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If it was just something, technological that was wrong with it, hopefully it fixes the problem. Try that out, give it a try, and believe it or not, that works more often than not for many problems with modern day appliances. Moving on to number 3. Number 3, choose a different cycle. Okay, you want to see maybe it is just the cycle that you're running. So if you're always running a normal cycle and you're getting that buzzing noise that you don't like, that you don't know if it's correct or not, then choose a different cycle. Maybe go to cold wash, maybe go to delicates, maybe go to drain and spin. Okay. What that's going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to know, because let's say the buzzing noise happens on the normal cycle but not any other cycle. Well, then guess what? It's not necessarily a problem with the entire washer. Maybe it's a problem with just the cycle, and you can take it one step further to diagnose it and get to the root of the problem. So just try a different cycle. See if that helps you get one step closer towards discovering what the actual problem is. Okay? Moving on to number 4. Number 4, is it only when it's draining? Okay? So, is it only when it's draining? Now, if it's only when it's draining, like I said, it might be a normal drain sound. And if it's really, really loud and you're like, you know what, that's not a normal buzzing sound, right? But it's only when it's draining, then at least you know it's something with regards to the draining portion of the washer's operation. The drain pump, the drain system, whatever it is, you can start diagnosing it further from there. So if it's only when it's draining and it's louder than usual, then at least you know it's something related to the draining portion of the washer's operation. Okay, moving on to the last one for this video, number 5. Number 5 is it only when it is spinning? So just like I said before, if it's only when it's spinning and the buzzing is louder than it should be, then at least you know it's something with regards to the spinning motor or the spinning cycle. There's a drum, there's something that spins the drum, so you have to sort of take it from there, and at least you can diagnose it one step further if you know that it's only happening when it's spinning. Okay, and that is truly it. That is basically all I want to say with regards to a buzzing sound coming from your Whirlpool washer. It might be normal, but if it's not normal, at least these things can help you maybe fix the problem or diagnose it even further to then get you steps closer towards fixing the problem. And that's truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. So we're going to roll the outro. If you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.